All right, boys, what is going on? Welcome back to another motion model market overview. I don't know why I just cooked that, but motion model market overview. We're going to be going over what I took today. This was an absolute banger. I took this in PM session on TikTok Live, and I also took a trade last night during Asia session that absolutely smacked for 12K on my Alpha Futures accounts, and I'm going to be probably streaming Asia session again today, so we'll see what ends up happening with that. But yeah, absolute banger trades, and I want to go over especially this PM session trade right here. So we will be going over that and going over the market for today. Today, personally, I did not trade AM session just because I didn't like how it was looking just coming into the day. So, oh shit, I actually shouldn't have done that. Let me undo the... There we go. But yeah, basically into AM session this morning, we can see on the 5-minute time frame, we're pretty much just consolidating back and forth, not really tapping into any PD arrays, more so just making imbalances on the higher time frame. And so that is what I was, fading. I didn't really like the fact that we weren't making any imbalances. So, yeah, pretty much just didn't take anything through here and, didn't want to risk any sort of capital. Nothing on the 15, nothing on the hourly, nothing on the 5-minute. So I just, went hands off. And then towards the end of the day, I was looking for a trade out of the discount of the range, which we ended up seeing. Is there a way for me to hide the drawings? Like, is that possible? I'm pretty sure there is. I just need to figure it out. I think I'll just delete them or whatever. But anyway, higher time frame, right? I wanted to see price. Oh, I need to do this. I wanted to see price move higher, and we didn't have any PD raise. Same exact story, right? We didn't have any, fair value gaps or anything like that we could reject off of. So what I wanted to see was I wanted to see us trade out of the discount of the range. I was still pretty bullish. Overall on the higher time frame. I wanted to see price move higher. We were making higher highs and higher lows. So what I ended up seeing here is we ended up creating a SMT right here with the 786 of the range, right from the high here, or from the low here to the high. Came down, tapped into 786. We made an SMT at this low right here with ES, and then we ended up getting a rejection off of that. And then again, we made another internal SMT in here as well at the bottom of the PM session lows. And then I ended up taking a 15-second inversion. The 15-second inversion that I took was... Where is it? I believe right here. So the 15-second inversion that I took was like right here. And yeah, overall, really, really good trade. And I'm super happy with it. Actually, I think it might have been right here. Let me just double check here. What I'll do is I'll just go back to the drawings so we can go over my setup that I took. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to see price move higher. I was pretty confident that we would move higher regardless. Also because we had this 4-hour gap from yesterday, the new week opening or the new day opening gap that we rejected out of and came higher. That's actually the trade that I took off of the 4-hour gap. So yesterday I took a trade on this hourly candle up into the hourly gap right here. That was the trade that I caught higher. So that was pretty easy and pretty simple. I'll be honest. It was really just like right here, right? This 5-minute inversion, and then price ended up coming down, tapping in this 5-minute fair value gap, and then moving higher. And I basically took a trade from like right here all the way up, about, I believe it was like 70 points or something like that. I don't even remember, maybe like 40 points. Anyway, I posted a screen recording of it on my Instagram, my TikTok as well. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. But yeah, anyway, I wanted to get into the 15-second and show you guys the actual inversion that I ended up taking to the upside. And boom, here it is. So we can see 2-stage SMT, SMT here, SMT here. We also were in the lower time frame, or the discount, sorry, as well of this leg here. As you guys can see, boom, 618, SMT at 618. Right here, SMT on the higher time frame range at 786. Perfect inversion. Good, good draws above. We had equal highs above and a 15-minute gap that was unmitigated as well that I wanted to see price trade into, and that's exactly what we did. And it was perfect. Really, really good trade, and I was super, super happy about it. And I thought that we delivered really well. So I made about $17,000 on this trade right here. I made $10,000 last night on Alpha Futures with the trade that I was talking about from Asia. I also made about $7,000 if we look today, right now, at least in the current moment. I'm up about $7.4 thousand on my live account. I can show that here. I just want to scribble out stuff so no one's pocket watching. Boom, 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 bang. So this is what I made. I want it to zoom in. $7.4K currently at the time of filming this on my live account, which is good. I'm up about $20,000 this week on that live account. Yeah, 18.6K right now it says on the live account. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. It's been a really good week, and I'm feeling super blessed about that. Crushed it today on these accounts, and then crushed it last night on the Alpha Features Fundeds as well. So feeling really good about this. Feeling really good about the last few days in Asia session and also in PM. So yeah, gonna hopefully continue to crush it. We have Friday tomorrow. We have crushed it this week, and it's been really, really good. So yeah, I'm hoping to continue this. If you guys are, interested in watching me live trade or, watching me, teach my strategy, anything like that, you can join my Discord down below in the description for free. I'm not really charging anything to live trade with me for a week for free, right? So I have a free trial available. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.